we should be videotaping.
PCT hikers.
Yes, PCTers. We're out here. We're in Big Bear. If you're swinging through a town and you need somewhere to stop to get some grinds, come on by Tropicali. Now, who am I talking to? Do you have a trail name yet?
I don't. I just
No,
don't.
we thought. I know. I was like, we need to get him one.
Yes.
Dude.
Also, if you're out there on the PCT and you don't have a trail name, talk to your fellow PCTers. Gotta get a trail name. You come through, gotta give us that name. If you need help, we will give one to you. If you want a trail name, I got names on lock. You just let me
He
know.
can help you out, dude.
Now, hold on one sec. Jacob, were you guys picking up for Jacob? Oh.
Malibu Bowl. And
Tikiyaki.
let's see it.
Working on it.
What's that, Ken? Luau Bowl.
Tikiyaki with special sauce.
So,
Lava sauce.
Lava sauce.
all very Hawaiian, all very family-run business.
Festive.
And festive and
Energetic.
happy, energetic service.
So good. I would like to just have it.
Still walking. Impressively large baked potatoes to go along with the ribeye steak, and a sauteed set of mushrooms and side salads and top sirloins and mashed potatoes and stuff. Yeah, we're eating plenty well, and at a really good price actually. And where are we at, Ken? Mountain Barn Grill in Big Bear. Pretty sweet. Okay, so our Big Bear Mountain Zeros day's coming to a close. Normally I wouldn't do this. A couple places we really enjoyed was the local Tropicali, because after eating tortillas, dehydrated potatoes, oatmeal, and top ramen day after day gets kind of boring. Local Tropicali, that taste was completely different. Guys there got a lot of energy, so that was a lot of fun. And then Mountain Bar and Grill at the east end of Big Bear. Wow, really good bar and grill, real reasonable prices. Great place to go for a hiker to get a steak dinner. We had steak dinner for $3, along with 3 beers and a full steak dinner: salad, potato, vegetables, bread, steaks, good steaks, and the whole bill was less than $70 for 3 of us. So pretty sweet deal, and good. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you hikers that may be zeroing in Big Bear. And now we're going to get ready and get ready to get back on the trail tomorrow morning. All right, thanks. Bye.